Hey guys, welcome back to Kylo Ren's Den, and today we're gonna be showing you what happens when you get really good loadout. So let's go into a solo game. Now today we're gonna be dropping at Catty Corner where we'll get 2 mythic items. And now I just dropped into a new game. It's like update day, so I'm hoping to get the new thing. They say it's fireflies, so I'm kinda hoping to get some. But first of all, let's go into the topic of the video. Now we're gonna be going into my favorite Catty Corner drop, the henchman disguise place, as you can see there, but someone has already taken it, so that's a bit sad. So I'm going to be going to this bottom drop, hoping to get some few chests. Now if you don't know about the Kit's shotgun, I've mentioned it in most of my videos. It's a charged shotgun with more magazine size, basically like a normal pump, but it's better. I just saw these blue things, so I was like a bit curious. What were these? I was like hoping to get some guns or something. I just took that harpoon. I thought it would be useful. Just jumping over these wood blocks. Wow, a blue pistol next to a grey. What a better gift. Just making some inventory sorting out, because it gives you like a sort of, feeling of, I don't know. Before, what I used to do, I used to have meds, guns, and all those things just scattered around the thing. Okay, I hear someone coming, and I'm gonna take the guns. Okay, I've got few shield. Okay, some dude just came. Okay, I heard that guy. Wow, he thinks I'm still in the truck. Just got him. Reloading. Now I'm gonna be going to my favorite place, as you know. Just got stuck in the tree. Bit weird. Oh no. Looks like a Kit. I was gonna say Meowskulls, but I didn't, fortunately. Okay, looks like there's lots of things happening. Okay, that sounds like a charged shotgun. What was that sound? That sounds like Kylo Ren or something, but I don't know. Gonna get him with a pistol. I see that dude there, but I don't want to get rid of my disguise. It's so weird, these henchmen. Like, if you see the back of their heads, there's like some orange and yellow thing. They look like sticky notes, right? Okay, some dude is there. He just rocketed like down with the shockwave gun. Oh my gosh, he's here. He must have gotten to Kit. Yes, got him with the tack. Gonna get that better pistol. He's got a burst. Not gonna take that. I've had really bad experiences with the burst. I'm gonna take that shockwave launcher. Now this is the good gun. We've got a pretty nice loadout, as you can see, purple. And now we're off to the vault. I just found where Meowskull's key card is, and we're here. That was the worst henchman chest I've ever searched. It just gave me a medkit. That's like so bad. Oh, there's the loot. Just gonna shield up, and we'll probably escape with the shockwave launcher. Just getting some. Yes. Yeet. Okay, I'm charging. I will like headed to Lazy, and I see a dude. I always wanted to kill a guy with the charge. It's fascinating. You can jump. Okay, some dude's onto me. Oh gosh. Win. Seriously, just 45 after charging that much. And and a near shot does 102. I seriously think these things are like the replicas of pumps, but just lower this thing and maybe like a bit more explosive type thing. Just gonna shield up by that extra shield. He's got a bolt action, but I don't want that. Okay, I accidentally took it. There's like a new thing in my ears. Just gonna go up. Okay, that failed, but it led me to this wonderful chest. I thought the stairs were there. I don't go to Lazy Lake usually now. It was like my favorite zone. I used to go there every time. Like, I used to go to my favorite zone. I don't think so you guys have seen it, but in my next video I'll probably do the one henchman challenge. Now our hunt begins for fireflies. There's none under the tree. It usually comes at night, but I don't find it anywhere. Okay, let's see if there's some loot left for me. My boat's just stranded. Top 14 situation, 3 limbs, and I've got a pretty nice loadout, as you can see, but the only thing I don't have very nice is an assault rifle. I've got green, but I've got a legendary SMG. I was gonna say compact. There's like a, what was that sound? I think that was like a shark. Oh my gosh, I knew it. The Marauders. How do you spell that thing? I don't know. I hope they're not coming for me, because they're a bit of a handful if you think about it. Just running in a Fortnite match. It's like when you look at their attention, like their exclamation marks, it's like you're already dead. That's like how it is. It's because, hey, there's a dude in the sky. He's probably going to go to attack Lazy Lake's what do you call that thing? Supply drops, yeah. Okay, he landed over there. It's a bit sad I didn't get that sniper. Yep, very sad. Anyways, I'm just gonna be like exploring other zones. I don't know. I'll probably walk off to like into Misty Meadow. There's a dude. Get him! Oh gosh. Oh, why did he have to build? Okay, he's building. I just hope it like slams him out so that I can like get him. What? Better reload. I hope the other guy over there, like next to Storm, doesn't have a sniper, because I seriously am like, I'm not moving much. Okay, looks like 2 guys are after 1 bounty, but I'll get it. Got it. He's never gonna get it. Okay, I'm just gonna like escape to away. I hope this dude doesn't come. I'm just gonna like wait for him over there. Oh gosh, there's another guy. Okay, but I better wait for my charge shotgun. So we're gonna be getting, maybe we might get our first charge. Oh my gosh, I went out of my house. We might be getting our first charge shotgun limb. Is he up? Oh gosh, why did I do that? Oh, there he is. Okay, let's aim for the head. Why does he have to build something what's inside? Woo! That was one big shot. If you're not like, okay, there's another guy. I'm sure he's somewhere. There he is. 45 again. Oh gosh, he's got a burst. Wow, before he even built, got to him. Okay, looks like we've got a good burst. I can see Ocean's burst assault rifle, and there it is. Now our good loadout is finally here, and I'm gonna be chugging the chug jug as always. I really miss the chug jug, so we're gonna be doing a little thing. Chug, 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 chug. Oh my gosh, I'm getting so tired of the chugs. Chug, 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 chug. Woo! That was one nice chugging. Top 6, pretty good. 6 eliminations. I'm hoping for 10. Okay, I've got an extreme loadout. I've like got the best loadout in the game probably, because I really like the burst assault rifle. And if you guys do, please tell in the comments below. I seriously think that Sky's assault rifle doesn't beat the burst, but I seriously think it's 50-50, because Sky's assault rifle is like, it's nice. I've got pretty good limbs with it. And then is the burst, which is epic. I've got like, as you've seen in my last video, I got a victory royale with the burst, and I hope I get one with this too. Okay, I'm just gonna wait for dudes to like get the what do you call these things? Supply drops. I always forget the name, I don't know why. Okay, I hear someone. Okay, there's a guy. I'm just gonna maximize on him. Got him with the burst. I hope there's another dude I can trap. And as you can see, that shark is stuck. I hope he did not get assaulted by marauders. I died. I don't know how to say it. There's another dude hoping to get his loot. Oh gosh, I'm missing. Only 24 health. He got so weak after that fight, maybe. After a fight. Gosh. Oof, got him. This is the good thing about the burst. Top 3 situation. Hope we get the dub. Okay. Now I'm just gonna be looking out for dudes. Probably trap them with that other supply drop we have. I just hope nobody comes from the back to sneak out. I'm just looking. Upgrade bench, shine him. Okay, let's look here if there's anybody. No one here. Oopsie. No one here too. Yeah, no one's here. This is sad. Oh, there's a dude. Get him. Let's assault him with the burst assault. Let's get into top 2 situation. I hope this guy is a bot. Not hoping. I mean, I'm fine with pros. Wow, he's standing stuck as if it's top 50. This is not how you react to top 3 situations. He's done. Waiting for the other dude. I'm like seriously looking for him. It's been a long time. I think this guy's like a camper or something, like just camping way too much and not showing his face out. I mean, I'm not a camper. Okay, maybe I'm kind of one, but I'm not like a super camper. Okay, my brother's just coming. Alright, so now we're still in top 2 situation, and I see the last guy. I hope this guy's bad. Woo! Yes! Got my second win. Bye guys.